Welcome back to the Diabetic
The salad goes pretty quick. Start out with some lettuce. You want to break the end root. Then I just tear a spot in here big enough to put my hand in. I pull out the root and throw that away. Then I reach inside like it's a Ziploc bag of lettuce. And there's 3 of us today. I find it easier to make up right in the salad bowl rather than dirtying up a lot of bowls. Living in a condo, you only have so much room. Cucumbers. Cut your cucumber. Cut a quarter. And then that cuts the paper. Cut another quarter. Cut them in half. Then you're ready to slice them up. Onion. Leave the root on left and right hand side. Cut down the center. Then cut on the outside. That'll give you a spot to pull off the outer. Now this is an end with a root. So you literally just roll it off here where it's out of the way. Put this half away, we don't need it. Now, from the root down to the table, vertical slices as wide as you want the onions. I'm doing about 1/4 inch. Then I just cut around the outside, just kind of shaving it. Of course, I'm not going to use all this because I'm just making a salad. I don't want it to be an onion salad. And probably wouldn't hurt to drop a few in here, huh? Make it good. That's what you do with extra food while you're cooking. You get creative with it. Green onions. Pretty easy. Onions and peppers are strong. Don't use a lot of them when you're making food for other people. You know what you like. Leek. I'm only using part of the leek today. Leek is one of those secret things that people don't know about. Tastes kind of like licorice. I cut my size like I did a cucumber, and then I cut it in half so that I could roll the outside. Now, if you use the tops, you're going to find dirt in the tops. So you have to make a couple of slices long ways vertical on the whole stalk. Open it up, rinse it with water, and then shake it out a little bit, and then you can bring it back to start cutting up. tomatoes. I like little cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to grab a few of them per salad. Celery. Gonna need a couple, 2 or 3 stalks, but when I get my order, I cut up some of it in short and long. These are coarse chopped, so I can just fine chop as opposed to coarse or rough chop. I need to make the salad dressing. I make my own salad dressing. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.